So welcome back guys. This is Ashprit from CyberGeek channel. So today we are talking about how would I learn to code. So let's get started. So how would I learn to code if I was to start over? So guys, yeah, in this scenario we are going to see two types of cases. So if you have less time, so what we should do? Or if you have more time, what we should do? So less time usually in the cases of graduates or job seekers in the software development side. So what programming languages should we learn? That is the major question for them. So let's start about it. So Python, as programming students know, Python is very easy, and the non-tech students they also know that Python is easy as they heard from their resources. So let's take it in that. So Python is a language which is very easy and it is as simple as English. So duration 2 months. What does this mean? So basics of Python should be covered in 2 months. So you can have good grip on how to program in Python. So you can practice in Lead Code, HackerOne, HackerEarth. So these are the online platforms which you can practice problem solving questions or practice how to code. So in Python, ideally, you can make projects and you can have hello world program, addition, subtraction, and all kind of stuff. So after completing 2 months of basics, you should go for the in the next month you should go for a certain module. Means if suppose in the game development, if you want to have programming in game, means in developing a game, you can go for the pygame module. Or if you want to go for machine learning, you can go for OpenCV module. So there are many kinds of modules which give give scope in different areas of computer field, computer science. So this is the short term in which Python can be learnt. So it is not a quick short method. So if you have this much of grip, you are somewhat eligible in job seeking with a low scale. That's a kind of reality. And web development, if you want to go into web development array, we want to make web pages, website of our own, so you can go for web development as HTML and CSS, which is called as front end development. So front end HTML, CSS. So HTML is kind of very easy, adding tags and adding text and all this stuff. And CSS, are uh, if you are telling that CSS is hard, oh no, we can't do it, then nothing to worry about. So there are CSS frameworks like Tailwind CSS, Tailblock CSS. You can drag and drop and you can easily do it. So for the non-tech students, I am very sorry about it. It is somewhat, yeah, you can research about the CSS and you can find out the frameworks there out. So frameworks, yeah, these frameworks are for backend development like Django, Vue, React, Angular, and Flask, ORM. So these are the frameworks for backside server side scripting languages. So if you want to go for web development, then you can choose this path. Or okay, we have known much about web development. No, we don't, or we do not want to go into web development. We want to go into the advanced new concepts of computer science like machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, big data. So After learning Python, no, in this scenario you should not go for this. You should learn Python full, and you should go for the topics which are combined, which are linked to advanced topics like machine learning, AI. So in this scenario you can go for machine learning and statistics, which is included in data science and data science. So this is the one way to job seekers or some other people who want to get in software development very in a short time. So in the more time, this case will come in the scenario of the students who want to learn to code or who love to code. So in this, we should go for the C, which is the complete and basic language, in which every learner, every beginner can learn it from the starting to ending. So if C is the basic, means it is the basic of all programming languages. So it is called mother of languages. In this, the concepts which are discussed in C will come into the other programming languages like variables, operators, and other kind of stuff. And in advanced C concepts like structures, C strings, unions, and other files concepts. So this will go on further. So after learning C, you should go for data structures. Data structures, yeah, all maybe saying is data structures may be hard. So it is, and you should learn how to manage all the data. So data structures may be kind of stuff which should be learned very concentratingly and interestingly. So guys, interestingly, we should learn all the concepts and don't run over things. Make a goal. So today in these days I should learn this language, and I should not distract from other languages. So you should be consistent on one thing, not to spread all the things over you. So next we should go to C++ language. C++ language, so you should go all through the advanced concepts and apply the concepts of data structures, as I said here, and practice as well. If you learn things and do not practice, then it is worthless, and it is not going great, and it is not going to make you a great programmer in future kinds. And do problem solving, as I said, in problem solving in online platforms like HackerEarth, HackerOne, LeetCode. So you can do your skills better in these platforms, or you can make projects as well. So after that, if your basics are good, then go for Python. And after going in Python, you should not apply this one. If you know somewhat about Python, then you can go by this. And you should learn from basics to advanced concepts. And if you want to jump to other areas, then you can go for machine learning, data science, cyber security, and other stuff. And if you want to earn money through online, through freelance, the freelancing is the best option to by making projects in Fiverr, Upwork, or freelancer.com. So it may be helpful for you. So if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you.